All right, so basically doing a little bit of upgrading and getting everything set up in my new office. With that being said, you can use a television for a computer screen. So basically, I opted to go with the Samsung television. This is a 4K television. It's a 43-inch. It is a Series 7. So here we go. We can check out all the part numbers. I can also add the link to this on... Here's the actual label. So you can see the model number. All right. I can put the link to this actual TV right here, as Best Buy is offering it. And you guys can check that out if it's something that you're interested in, or if you're looking into one of these. Right now, I got this, like I said, I got this TV to use as a screen, as I have a larger 60-inch over here on the wall. But we're going to be focusing on this right here. So let's see what we got to do. Let's get this thing out of the box. Pretty simple. They tell you to pull the guide, the cord, and the remote out, and then you can lift the television out. Setup guide. There's the stand. One of them. Didn't show that in the picture. There's the other stand. Here is our cord, our remote, and our instruction manual. Samsung TV Plus. How about that? All right. Well, let's get this lifted out of here. I'm trying to get some of this stuff out of the way so you can take a look at the rear of this television. Basically, they give you an antenna input, looks like two HDMIs, a digital out, a USB, not quite sure what that one's supposed to be, Ethernet plug. Here's your mounting points for your wall mount. Let's check out and see what we got to do to be able to get this thing installed on these stands. Okay, looks like they go like this. Right, left. Alright, so here at the bottom of the television, it's probably a little dark. I'm standing behind it, so this would be facing away from me. Alright. So this is R and this one's L. So we have R and L. All right. So the R will face you. And the L on the other one will face you also. All right, there we go. We're standing up. We can take a better look here. Let's take a look at the front of the TV. It's hard to believe that that is a 40-inch television. 43-inch television. It just looks so much smaller in comparison to the 60 on the wall. We're going to be installing that right here in this area on this desk, and I'll get this thing put in place, we'll get it plugged in, and we'll show you what it looks like fired up for the first time. It's pretty nice to give you some door cells. Normal Samsung remote that I'm used to for many, many years now. All right, let's see what happens.
Hello. Experience the extraordinary with your Samsung screen. Two simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. To use the accessibility function, simply press and hold the volume button.
So I would suggest you pull out your quick start guide and you actually give that a look over. The one plug in the back that I wasn't sure what it was actually for the power cord. It's actually on the back right here. It's at the very top. But this tells you what's in here. I don't know why, you know, they show two people pulling this out of the box. They tell you to lay it over, you know, that's for that. Anything bigger, I guess the box self changes. So this is pretty much a general overall instructions. So they show you how to put these in. Your feet should point out a little bit on there also. So there's our quick start guide. We got everything up and running. I mean, it is a very nice start screen right here. They do play some pretty nice music. It's probably going to be, you know, hopefully not. All right, so the one instruction manual shows you everything that the basically it shows you how to put the batteries in, which you already know how to do if you've had a Samsung television or any remote with a television. This one goes over a lot of the functions for your remote. This other one here, just, you know, the stuff that we normally never look at. Limited warranty to original purchaser. It says 1 year size, carry in or home, carry in. 42 and larger you can take in for repair, or they'll come to your home for the larger televisions. There's also another pamphlet on wiring in main UK only. So, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in here that you really don't have to worry about. There's one here that goes through before reading this user manual, blah, blah, blah. Goes through a bunch of different things. Some of that stuff equates to what we need to do here in our country, in the United States. Now, I'm not quite sure how I would like to set this up. You can toggle between the two of these with basically this joystick center here, back and forth. I think right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up with the remote. So I'm figuring that the center button is going to be the enter, and it is. Right now, simply plug in, turn on the devices that you want to control with the smart remote, and then we'll take care of the rest. When you're ready, we'll move on to the next step. Right now, are you sure you do not want to connect any devices? TV will automatically set up any devices you connect. Okay. So right now, I don't have any devices set up. I do have wireless internet. Well, it's picking up the Roku television, the printer, and it's picking up this, which I'll be changing the name of this, Wi-Fi right here. So this is what we need to log into. I'm going to enter this password. Doesn't matter what it is, you just agree. All right, well, see ya in a couple minutes. All right, so we're on step 2. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have a Samsung account, so I guess that's what I'm setting up now. Create new account. Okay, so we got registered for a Samsung account. Basically, it wants a credit card, which it doesn't matter. I'm not using this TV for anything like that. That's something you can enter if you have a Samsung account set up. Right now, I use Roku on all of my other devices. So like I said, I bought this for a computer screen, so we're kind of going through setting everything up. I don't have a local provider, so let's see if we can skip this. I don't know. All right, maybe it wants to know what that is, so I'll take care of this one. Step 4, it's just kind of, I don't know, select your favorite services below, then simply sign up or sign in using a mobile device or your PC. I've actually got Amazon Prime. I don't have Hulu, but let's go to next. All right, so it gives you an opportunity, I guess, here to choose some things. So I want to add, I don't know what I did. Just went back. Okay, wow. That is very amazing looking right there. Start watching TV. Okay. Brightness optimization is on.
Against 40 of them. Let's even the odds.
Isn't that a nice little ad? Let's discover some content. Okay. NBC News, NBC Live Now from Fox, Weather Nation. I'm sure if I play any of this, it could be registered as something that they don't want us to show. Let's just see here. I really wish I could find something here to see what it looked like. I mean, just looking at the screen, it's pretty clear. It's pretty nice. I am going to be doing an unboxing of the computer, and actually I'll show what the computer looks like on this screen also. So with that being said, let's just close out this thing. This is the closing video for the Samsung 43-inch 4K television. Right there's the part number again, and it's unboxed.